Good morning, this is Seth Nagel with the morning weather briefing for West Central Texas for Sunday, June 24th, 2018. Looking at today, we're going to see another very hot day. These are heat index values that we're going to expect to see later this afternoon during the hottest part of the day. So as we can see, there's nothing below 100 degrees there, and some readings as high as 111 degrees possible in parts of the big country, but a bulk of the area at least 105 degrees, and we'll likely see this kind of heat for a few hours this afternoon, probably from early to mid-afternoon into the early evening hours. So we have issued a heat advisory for today. That means conditions are going to be favorable for people if they're outside doing work or exercise or playing or anything like that to potentially risk getting some heat illness or heat stroke. So if you are outside today, just be advised that if you can, try to take lots of breaks, try to find shade. If you can, try to find some air-conditioned spaces once in a while. Make sure you drink plenty of water, and just try to stay as cool as possible if you have to be out there today. In addition to the heat, we will see pretty gusty conditions. Winds will be out of the south at 15 to 25 miles an hour, with gusts up to as high as 35 miles an hour. So another breezy day across the entire area. And for this evening, there is another potential for maybe some isolated thunderstorms, mainly west of a Haskell to Sweetwater to Sterling City line during the late afternoon and evening hours. For Monday, we should see some relief from the heat. These are the forecast highs for Monday. We're looking at mid-90s to possibly around 100 degrees in some locations. So that will bring our heat index values down as well. We're not expecting quite as hot conditions, so we are not expecting to have to issue a heat advisory, but it's still going to be very warm, and we want everyone to continue to try to practice some of those heat safety rules as we move into Monday. If you have to be outside, continue to drink lots of water. Light, loose-fitting clothing, take breaks as frequently as you can, and if you can, find some shade or air conditioning once in a while. We'll see warm conditions throughout the rest of the week, so generally highs in the mid-90s to around 100 degrees every day, and lows mainly in the mid to upper 70s, and with less than 10% chance of precipitation across the area for the rest of the week as well. That's the briefing for this Sunday morning. Please check back tomorrow morning for an updated briefing. Thanks.